Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goyal said that so far around 10,000 persons belonging to over 2,200 displaced families have been facilitated to return to their original homes. He emphasized that, noting a significant reduction in violent incidents since November 2024, conditions are now conducive for undertaking phased resettlement process in coordination with security agencies and displaced families. With support from the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, essential services including food rations and drinking water continue to be provided in relief camps. From November 1, 2025, the state government introduced Direct Benefit Transfer (DBT) for IDPs residing in relief camps to provide greater flexibility. Additional assistance is being extended in healthcare, education and livelihood support through rural employment schemes and self-help groups initiatives. The resettlement process is being implemented under 523 crore rupees resettlement and rehabilitation package announced in Manipur budget 2025-26. The plan has been structured into 3 phases, that is, resettlement of families with partially damaged houses, resettlement of families allotted houses under PMAYG special package within their respective districts, and inter-district relocation of IDPs between valley and hill districts. The Chief Secretary stressed that state government has released 35 crore 46 lakh rupees for new house construction and 9 crore 26 lakh rupees for repairing partially damaged houses. A state-level committee chaired by the Chief Secretary, along with district-level committees headed by deputy commissioners, is monitoring the rehabilitation process. As of now, around 10,000 IDPs from over 2,200 households have been resettled, while nearly 4,000 houses are at various stages of construction. Emphasizing that security remains top priority, the government said it is establishing security posts in villages with the support of state police, Central Armed Police Forces and Assam Rifles Army. It also stressed that confidence-building measures and people-to-people communication are essential, and resettlement will not be rushed without adequate security and trust.